Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a bank that's been popping up all over the internet lately, Poppy Bank. You might have seen their ads or read reviews, and you're probably wondering if it's legit. Well, that's exactly what we're going to find out in this video. Now, before I dive into the details, let me just say that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a regular person who's interested in learning more about different banks and how they work. So, take everything I say with a grain of salt and do your own research before making any decisions about your money. Okay, so let's get started. What exactly is Poppy Bank? Well, it's a relatively new bank that was founded in 2005. They're headquartered in Santa Rosa, California, and they have branches throughout the state. Poppy Bank offers a variety of banking services, including checking and savings accounts, loans, and credit cards. So, is Poppy Bank trustworthy? Well, there are a few things to consider. First, they're a member of the FDIC, which means that your deposits are insured up to $250,000. This is a good sign that they're a legitimate bank and that your money is safe. Second, Poppy Bank has good reviews from customers. They have an average rating of 4.5 stars on Yelp, and many customers praise their friendly customer service and competitive interest rates. Third, Poppy Bank has a good reputation in the financial industry. They've been rated as one of the best performing banks in the country by several organizations. So, overall, I think Poppy Bank is a trustworthy bank. They have a good track record, and they offer a variety of banking services at competitive rates. Of course, it's always a good idea to do your own research before opening an account with any bank. But if you're looking for a new bank, Poppy Bank is definitely worth considering. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the specific products and services that Poppy Bank offers. One of their most popular products is their high-yield savings account. This account offers a competitive interest rate that's much higher than what you'll find at most traditional banks. This is a great option if you're looking to save money for a specific goal, such as a down payment on a house or a new car. Poppy Bank also offers a variety of checking accounts to choose from. They have basic checking accounts as well as more sophisticated accounts with features like overdraft protection and free ATM withdrawals. In addition to checking and savings accounts, Poppy Bank also offers a variety of loans, including mortgages, auto loans, and personal loans. They also offer credit cards with competitive interest rates and rewards programs. So, as you can see, Poppy Bank has a lot to offer. They're a trustworthy bank with a good reputation, and they offer a variety of products and services at competitive rates. If you're looking for a new bank, I definitely recommend checking out Poppy Bank. With that said, thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about personal finance. Until next time, take care.